eForMarketWizards.com and eMiniWizard.com. Reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose when you're playing this game. It is about 9:50 on Monday, the 8th of April, 2019. Looking at the 5-minute chart, RTH, we had said the other day, rain line may be supportive. Got to get above the blue line. We did. Today we start under the blue line, so that gives us the belief that we are going to trade perhaps between the rain line and this blue line, and that's a great opening swing. Come down and wash out these traders from Friday. And we still have not closed the gap. We've got a gap down here in the 83 range. And the bottom line is that this is still somewhat neutral. I suggested we'll test for support. Very unusual that we'll just abandon a new high and then just come south side and stay south side all day. So we're thinking two-way day. And this is a 5-minute chart. I like the way this came out decisively this morning and said, let's test support. Took out the 88s. We said, if we break the 88, anything goes, then think about that 82 to 85 zone getting tested. And so far, that's what's happened. We can see the importance of this little head fake pulling back into our 98. So 98 was our aggressive resistance. We said we have to bust this low right here from Friday, and if we do, then obviously we're auctioning off the range that we never got to auction off on Friday because the RTH held and squeezed us, and this was painting the tape. And now we've got a reverse thrust coming back to test these areas that are theoretically supportive until broken. So pre-market, we'd said think about 85 to 82 as our next support area. That would be this zone if we were to bust the middle from Friday. So this break at the open hits T1 86.5 and not quite 2 ticks missing from 83.75, which is our T2 today. Make sure you're paid if you took a short side trade. This is a throwback line. Once we busted this and couldn't get back up above. So these traders up here, anybody was trying to buy for continuation has been trapped, including the RTH traders from Friday. So there's a good start to the week for the shorts. And normally we will get a good solid thrust, and then we'll get a pullback day, and then get continuation again. So for now, all we know is that the boys have decided today better odds come back inside and test the inside day. Important chart. This is the monthly fighting box, and under the 84s, good fortune for that 83 gap to 82. Below that, we're going to use 78 as our next theoretical support. And that's this line right here. That would be a 40 back in the monthly, right? And the pipe is down here. So we're starting to plant the seeds already for this week as to important supports and resistance, and obviously different size swings. So this is the monthly look, a very important chart. Paid for sure, coming into 85s to 82s. Very important defensive zone for the longs right now. A great trade if you got it. I said test for support. This is a great trade. Anybody got the short side? Not easy with a type of uptrend we've had to take a contra to the trend. And here's our 5 RTH. We're ahead of ourselves, obviously. May take some time to stabilize. I was not thinking we would get a one-way south side big move type day. It's very hard to do that usually in a strong uptrending market. See, NQ has pulled back. Looks like it's trying to find support in that 60 area. We'll take a look at a couple other charts today too. Here's the predictive model. Gap is here. Slip sliding away. Closer you get to your destination. All right, we can take these arrows now and change these. Ellipses, and we can now say this is trying to be support. This is now the fighting box, and obviously our resistance box back here. And this is not the OTF predictive model, but today's predictive model. And that's the one we want because it's Monday. The opening rotation game. Normally you'll get a little bit quieter open rotation. Today was a thrust down, and you can tell just simply by the size of your 10-minute bar. So I'm going to put this back to a 5. And sometimes we get the open rotation where it's just choppy, and today we got to let's go knock out those longs. And this could be shake and bake today. So let's play the new box. What else can you do? Obviously, these 93s are resistance, 93s to 94s until broken. And a retest of the overnight low is going to come back in here at 89. So if you want to see that, there you go. There's your angel right here, about 86 and a quarter, trying to trigger. I'm still thinking take a little time to get out of Dodge. Hit and run today if you're playing. Spread your trades out throughout the morning. Probably avoid lunch, and then maybe this afternoon find a little something.